हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त रुद्र और आज जो मैं आपके लिए गुड न्यूज लाया हूं। अब तक जैसे मैं 1 to 6 के बच्चों को ही पढ़ाता था, बट अब जो है मैं 7th के बच्चों को ही पढ़ाने वाला हूं। और आज का वीडियो जो है उस स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों के लिए है, बिकॉज टुडे आई विल टीच यू साइंस। इन साइंस आई एम गोइंग टू टीचिंग यू न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स. There are two topics related to this chapter, but I will only teach you one topic. If you want to also learn the second topic, then you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Because if you will subscribe my channel, then you can see my second video or part 2 of this video. So let's start our video. So friends, our first topic is modes of nutrition in plants. So friends, let's start with a story. Once upon a time in a stone age. Okay, stone age, we are in stone age. So once upon a time in a stone age, a child is eating two plants. He thought that one plant had food, but the second didn't have food. So our topic is also related to this story. Because modes of nutrition in plants means types of nutrition in plants, and there are two types of nutrition in plants. First is autotrophic and second is heterotrophic. Let's first know the difference between these two. In autotrophic, auto means self and trophic means feeding. Means autotrophic is equals to self-feeding. In heterotrophic, hetero means different and trophic means feeding. Means heterotrophic is equals to different feeding. तो दोस्तों, जिनको जो है समझ में नहीं आया कि ऑटोट्रोफिक और हेटरोट्रोफिक क्या होता है, मैं उनको जो है हिंदी में समझा देता हूँ। ऑटोट्रोफिक में ऑटो का मतलब होता है सेल्फ और ट्रोफिक का मतलब होता है फीडिंग। इसका मतलब ये होता है कि ऑटोट्रोफिक का मतलब ये होता है कि सेल्फ फीडिंग, यानी कि खुद से फूड बनाना। और हेटरोट्रोफिक में हेट्रो का मीनिंग होता है डिफरेंट और ट्रोफिक का मतलब होता है फीडिंग, यानी कि डिफरेंट फीडिंग, यानी कि दूसरे पर डिपेंड रहना। तो अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा। तो चलो अब कंटिन्यू करते। सो फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट वी विल नो ऑटोट्रोफिक. वी नो द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑटोट्रोफिक. Autotrophic means a plant which make his own food by the process photosynthesis is called autotrophic. So, if you know the process of photosynthesis, then it is good. But if you don't know, then don't worry. I will teach you. In photosynthesis, plant take 4 things to make food. First, it take carbon dioxide from the air. 1 minute. Didn't you have think that how the plant take carbon dioxide inside it? So let's I teach you. So the plant take carbon dioxide inside it through its leaves. If you will zoom the leaves by the microscope, you will see some opening buds-like structure on it. It is called stomata. From it, the carbon dioxide is enter to the plant. So now we know how the carbon dioxide enter to the plants. So let we go ahead and know the photosynthesis process. So we know how the carbon dioxide go. Now next is the water, minerals and proteins from the soil. The plant takes it through its roots, and it also takes the sun rays to make food. These 4 things are needed to make food for a plant. So now we know the photosynthesis process, and we also know what is autotrophic. Means this topic is over. Now it's time for our next topic. But what is our next topic? Let's go back and know. So friends, what is our next topic? Correct, heterotrophic. So friends, we know the meaning of heterotrophic. Heterotrophic means a plant which is depend on other plant or organism is called heterotrophic. There are 4 types of heterotrophic plants: parasitic plants, saprophytic plant, symbiotic plant, and insectivorous plant. First, we will know about parasitic plants. So friends, what is the meaning of parasitic plant? Parasitic plant means A plant which take ready-made foods and nutrition from other plant is called parasitic plant, and the plant from which the parasitic plant take nutrition is called host. You will think how the parasitic plant take. So friends, parasitic plant send a yellow tube-like structure around the stem of the host, and it takes ready-made nutrition and food from it. It harms very much to the host plant, and sometimes it kills the host plants. Let's see a picture of a parasitic plant. So friends, this is a picture of parasitic plants. Let's go ahead on our next topic. So what is our next topic? Let's go back and know. So friends, what is our next topic? Correct. Our next topic is saprophytic plants. So let's know about it. So friends, what is the meaning of saprophytic plants? Saprophytic plant means a plant which take in nutrition and food from the dead and decaying is called saprophytic plants. You will think, what is the meaning of dead and decaying? So let's I teach you. Dead and decaying means animals which are dead and secretes in the soil are called dead and decaying. So saprophytic plants shed digestive juices around the dead and decaying and turn them into a solution and secretes them. So from this, the saprophytic plant take its nutrition from dead and decaying. Let's see a picture of saprophytic plants. So friends, this is a picture of saprophytic plants. So let's go forward and know about our next topic. So friends, what is our next topic? Let's go back and know. So friends, what is our next topic? Correct, our next topic is symbiotic plants. So let's know about it. Friends, symbiotic plant means a plant which helps the organism also and also helps herself is called symbiotic plants. You didn't understand? Let's I explain you. In this, both the organism and the plant both are benefits. Let's see a picture of them. So there, friend, it is a picture of them. There are lichen. The plant is lichen and the organism is fungi. You know about fungi? Fungi is a bacteria. You can also say it bacteria. If you will see your old or very old shoes in a hot and humid weather, you will see a white colored structure on it, and that structure is fungi. So friend, the fungi take the water and minerals to the lichen, and the lichen gives shelter to the fungi. In this case, the both benefits. So now we know the symbiotic plant. So let's go forward to our next topic. So what is our next topic? Let's go back and know. So friends, what is our next topic? Correct. Our next topic is insectivorous plant. So friends, what is the meaning of insectivorous plant? Insectivorous plant means a plant which take insects and nutrition from them are called insectivorous plant. You have seen a plant in our story. Let's go back and take it here. So friends, this is the plant in the story. So you have seen its structure, that there is a teeth-like structure. When an insect comes inside, the teeth are closed and it secretes all the nutrition from the insect. There is also another insectivorous plant, but its structure is different. In rainy season, you will see a picture plant like this. In this, you will see it a pot like its mouth every time it's open. When rainy season, the drops are going under, but it doesn't close. But when an insect go under it, it closes quickly and secretes it nutritions. So this is insectivorous plants. So now we know all the topics. So here our video is end. So it's time for thought and questions. But I have not sent my thought and questions in 2 videos. That's why I'm saying facts also in this video. So first I will say you thoughts. So friend, thought is that the plants which make their food are green in color and the plants which didn't make their food are not in green color. That is why, because they plants which make their own food contain chlorophyll too, and the plants that didn't make their own food, they didn't contain chlorophyll too. Let's talk to the chlorophyll too.
I am a miracle molecule who's fantastic at absorbing light. My talent might even make me the single most important chemical on the planet. I drink in energy from the sun and use it to power the production of sugar, food for a plant, and ultimately for all things on earth. And if that isn't enough, this process called photosynthesis also produces the oxygen that all animals breathe and that sucks up the nasty greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide. I put the green in greenery. I live inside chloroplasts, tiny little green blobs rammed inside the cells of a leaf.
So friends, you have talked to the chlorophyll too. So you will think also that the Venus flytrap and the lecher are also in green color. So why they didn't make their own food? They have green color, but they didn't contain that much chlorophyll too that they need to make their own food. So that's why they didn't make their own food. So this was our thought. Now it's fact time. So friends, today's fact is that about coronavirus. You have seen the coronavirus in news. It is also only the outer cover. If you will wash your hand, the outer cover is break, and the under you will see a spring-like structure, and it will destroy. If the outer cover is destroyed, then it will also destroy. So please wash your hand with hand wash or soap. So the coronavirus killed, and you will never affected the coronavirus. So our question is that how many types of addition are there? So meet you in the next video. Bye bye.